Hello everyone. So you're welcome to our AI powered quiz generation machine for Quizarly. So I'm right here in my dashboard. I'm just going to show you how it is done. So when you log into your dashboard, you are going to, if you are using a laptop, you look at the sidebar, you'll see the AI Studio there. And right here in the studio, you can see the AI dashboard. This is where you are going to see all of the quizzes that you have generated, the explanations to those quizzes that have been generated, the tokens you have consumed, and the active AI agents that we're using. And so after that, you are going to come to your generator workshop. Now, in the quiz generator workshop, you have a space where you can ask any prompt or ask any questions about any quiz you want to generate, and right here you'll see the preview for the quiz. And so let's say I want to generate, let's say, create a quiz for space technology for me. Again, don't forget, you have the count for the quizzes here. If you want 5 quizzes, you have 6, 7, 8, but I'm just going to choose 10 quizzes. You are limited to 100 quizzes generated by AI at the time. And before you proceed to click on the send button, you will definitely see the multi-choice, the options for the different types of quiz that you are hoping to create. So we have multi-choice, you have the multi-choice single, you have the multi-choice multiple choice, you have true or false, you have the short answer, essay, fill in the blank, matching, and ordering. So I'm just going to leave this checked for single multi-choice and then create a quiz for space technology for me. And I'm just going to, okay, let me be specific. Create a quiz for space technology for teenagers, something like this. Okay, I'm going to hit send and let's wait. See, our AI is processing the request. Let's wait. Awesome. So right now, you see we have different types of quizzes. What is the main purpose of the Hubble Space Telescope? You see, the and most powerful rocket ever built by NASA, designed for deep space missions. And you see, it definitely shows you the correct answer and the explanation to that answer. But here's the interesting part. We can save these quizzes. These are 10 of them. You can see 10. And by the way, I did choose multiple choice, which is single, and you have other options like multiple choice, true or false, short answer, essay, fill in the blank, matching, and ordering. To explore all of these options and see what the AI can do for you. So I'm going to click on save to draft for a start. And yes, it's been successfully saved to my draft. And after that, I'm going to move these quizzes to my quiz builder. You can see the name is already there, and you can choose any of the options, the categories here. And you can say show correct answers during quiz. No, I'm just not going to do that. Then I'm going to click on review and publish. And that's going to take me to my quiz builder, where I can edit the quiz, where I can duplicate, where I can delete and take all of those other options. So usually, and you can add more questions here, really. So usually what this does for us is that instead of manually creating the quizzes, the AI will help you to generate the quizzes for you. And when you are done, you can just hit on publish quiz. So it's still on draft right now. I'm going to go back to my dashboard, and now you see the quiz. It's been automatically generated for me, and you can see the options here. There are no recent attempts, so nothing is going to show up here. But this is where you would see any of the things that you would see regarding the quiz. And if I click on edit, we're right back here. So 10 total points and 10 questions. You can always edit, you can describe your quizzes here. You can select the category right here. I'm going to choose science, and you can upload a tag, let's say space and technology, and if you have any cover image, you can put it right here as well. If you have instructions, you can put all of those here, but I'm going to have to I need to save this. I didn't save that. I'm gonna save this. Save technology. Hit save. So settings have been saved. And if you have any instructions for the students, you can write all of the instructions here. And if you have a timing, there's no time limit really, but if you have a time you want the students to have for this quiz, let's say I want to put like 15 minutes, and I'm going to shuffle the questions, right? Click on save, and yeah, access and security. I want this to be a public quiz. I want this, you don't need a login for this. I don't need the protected password for this. And maximum participants 0 to I need just 100 persons to have this. If you need more than 100 persons to take your quiz, you can just do 1,000, for instance. Disable copy and paste, disable right click, force full screen mode, then randomize question order, show one question at a time. So these are all of the anti-cheat options, and I'm going to just hit on save. So explore all of the other options, especially if you have a pro account. And when you are done, I'm going to go back and I need to show you that this was actually saved as draft. So to see that the quiz is saved as draft, anytime you click on draft, just come to my quizzes and you should be able to see it right here. You see, space technology for teens. And whenever you're done, you can click on here and you can publish. Let's do that. Click on edit and click on publish. Of course, I'm publishing as myself. If you do have an organization, you'll see the option for organization right here. But if you don't have an organization, you can publish as yourself, as a creator. So the quiz has been published. Then you go back to your dashboard and go to my quizzes, and you can see space teams, space technology for teams is rendered published. Okay, now let's go back to our AI Studio. The next thing after that is you have your bank builder. So the bank builder, this is where you can upload a PDF document. So I do have some, okay, I have a material here. I'm going to just open it up. And what the AI will do is to read your PDF and generate questions based on the number of questions you choose right here. You see? So I'm going to change this to digital marketing quiz. Okay. And you can see all of those options there as well. You can see all of the options there as well. And 5 questions, that's what we choose. If you wanted 10 questions, you can come right there. And when you're done, you can just save it to draft. If you don't want to edit it or do anything, just save the questions to your draft. And when you come here, you will definitely see your draft digital marketing quiz. All right. And let's look at another thing that the AI Studio can do for you. So we've looked at the generator workshop or workspace, the quiz generator. We've looked at the bank builder for uploading PDFs. And if you have a quiz and you want to convert the quiz from being easy to difficult, you can put that particular quiz here. Just copy the quiz and paste it here and ask it to convert it to advanced difficulty, and you would have that option right here. Now let's look at the analytics and coach. So this is where we have our Quizarly AI coach. Now let's say, so you have a welcome. Hello, Val David, I'm your Quizarly AI coach. I have analyzed over 12,450 learners and recent competition data. Ask me anything like why are learners failing the math quiz, or how do I increase completion rates? So I'm just going to ask my own question. I'm going to say something like how, or let's say, what other types of quizzes can I generate for secondary school students? All right, and I'm going to hit enter, and let's see, the AI is going to talk to us. Absolutely. See, here are 3 high engagement quiz types for secondary students. And you can see all of that This is really interesting because some persons might be using this tool and they don't really know the kind of questions that they might want to generate for secondary school students. And you can have a conversation with your AI coach. You can start a new chat here, or you can, delete this. So you can always come back. Let's say I'm going to go to my feeds. I just left the place, right? And then I'm going to go back to my AI studio and then come to my analytics and codes. You see, the chat is still there. Even if you log out, the chat will still be there. But you can continue the chat with the AI, or you can click on start a new chat. If I do that, you see, we have opened it up. And then you get a notification that your chats are saved for only 24 hours. Okay. And so your Quizarly AI coach has access to your entire database. It has access to your entire dashboard. So if students are not doing so well in a particular quiz, you can ask your Quizarly AI coach questions and it's going to answer you. It's going to tell you, okay, you can improve your quiz this way, you can do it this way, and all of that. All right. And then the last feature for our AI studio is what we call the content and translation. So interestingly, if you are on X or Twitter and you want to maybe write a post about the space technology for teens, and you are not sure of how to make that post, you can just come over here and generate your assets and just click on generate. You can choose any of the platforms. If it's on LinkedIn, Facebook, the AI would automatically generate the quiz based on those platforms for you. So if I click on generate content, let's see, awesome. You see, it's very simple. So, and guess what? You can actually publish this to your feed. If I click on publish to feed, you can edit the content, put the link to the quiz that you just created here, and then click on post it. So everyone that is accessing the Quizarly platform would see that you've created a quiz for space technology for teenagers. And if you really want to send an email to somebody, again, you can click on generate content, and you've given the AI the title of the quiz, and you can see it's giving you the content. So you can just copy this, right? And then take it to your email and paste it there and make all of the necessary edits as well. But if you want to publish this to feed, of course, it's an email. You don't need to publish it. You have to send to your email. If you click there, you'll see all of the options where you can send your email. Okay. And so, you can translate. So we have space technology for teens. Yeah, you want to translate that into French. We have all of these other languages here. Let's say French, and you click on generate content, and voila. Now you have technologie spatiale pour the adolescents. That's in French. So you can just write that and you can publish it to your feed, and you can make your edits as well. So that's it for your AI studio with Quizarly. And of course, all of the things you are doing here will be automatically updated so that you can always check to see how many quizzes you've been generating with AI, how many explanations have been generated, the tokens you have used, and you can keep tabs with all of the things that you are doing with our AI platform. And that's it. Basically, I hope you do have fun with this platform.